Hello everyone, welcome back to Rasoi Rosanna. So today I'm here to give you a recipe for a starter that just fits all the occasions and parties. Let's make gobi Manchurian. To start with, take about 2 tablespoons of maida and about 2 tablespoons of corn flour in a bowl. Now add about half teaspoon of pepper powder, salt as per your taste, about half teaspoon of red chili flakes, a teaspoon of soya sauce, and half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Now the chili flakes in this is totally optional. Now slowly start adding water, making sure that it does not form a thin paste. The batter needs to be thick so that the cauliflower florets get coated well. Now remember to not add salt too much because soya sauce also contains certain quantity of salt. In the meantime, let's keep the oil for heating up. Now slowly start adding cauliflower florets to the maida and corn flour batter. Mix this well and then add your second batch. Do this for all the florets. Make sure that the cauliflower florets are coated well with this batter. So basically we add Kashmiri chili powder and soya sauce to give these florets a nice color once they fry. The corn flour in the batter, make sure that these florets remain crisp even in the Manchurian. Now let's start frying these florets in hot oil. Make sure that the oil is quite hot so that the florets have some crunchy texture to it and do not get fully cooked. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes till they change color to a nice golden brown. Once they feel crisp and a nice shade of brown, remove them from the hot oil into a blotting or a tissue paper. So here's a small tip. If you want to maintain that crispiness even more, you can fry these florets again in the same oil. Now let's get to preparing the Manchurian sauce. In a heated pan, add about 2 teaspoons of oil, about 8 to 10 finely chopped garlic, and about 3 to 4 chilies finely chopped. Now you may adjust the chilies according to your taste. Once they are sauteed for a bit, add about 1 small onion cubed. Along with this, also add about 1 small cubed bell peppers. You may choose your bell peppers according to your preference and availability. Saute these for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add about a teaspoon of vinegar, a teaspoon of soya sauce, a tablespoon of tomato sauce, and a tablespoon of red chili sauce. Now, according to your taste, please adjust the spice quotient in these sauces. Mix these sauces well with the vegetables. If you like your Manchurians to be a bit spicy, add half a teaspoon of red chili flakes to it. Mix these well. Remember to not overcook your vegetables in a Manchurian. It needs to have that crunch of the capsicum. Next, let's add about half a cup of water. Let the sauces mix well. Finally, to thicken the gravy, let's add about 2 teaspoons of corn flour slurry. Remember to sim the gas before adding the slurry. Now mix this well and you'll notice that the sauce slowly starts thickening up. At this stage, let's add about a tablespoon of finely chopped spring onion greens. Mix it well into the sauce. Finally, let's add our fried cauliflower florets into the sauce. You may notice that the color of the florets equally matches the color of the Manchurian sauce. This is why we added Kashmiri chili powder and soya sauce to the batter. Now, coat these florets with the Manchurian sauce we prepared. Once done, let's add our final seasoning. Add salt according to your taste, but remember to adjust it for the salt content in the soya sauce and also in the cauliflower florets. There you go. Garnish with some spring onion greens and your gobi Manchurian is ready to serve. Bon appetit! If you liked this video, do give it a try and share your feedback by liking and commenting below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon for more updates. Thank you.